Good morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the euro-dollar, recent developments, and its potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The last session saw the gold drop 0.6% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in the world financial news.
The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq recouped some of the previous week's losses as investors re-examined the chances of a second presidential term for Republican nominee Donald Trump after US President Joe Biden pulled out of the race. Mt. Gox is preparing to repay creditors through the Bitstamp cryptocurrency exchange, according to the latest on-chain fund movements. The address associated with Mt. Gox has executed the first test transactions to the Bitstamp cold wallets. Google parent Alphabet is expected to report a nearly 14% rise in quarterly revenue, its fourth straight quarter of double-digit growth, driven by steady demand for its artificial intelligence-powered cloud computing services and an uptick in the ad market.
Thank you for this. Coming up, today's major economic events.
The US Red Book Index will be released at 12:55 GMT, the US existing home sales at 14 GMT, the US two-year note auction at 17 GMT. The Eurozone's consumer confidence will be released at 14 GMT, the Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 7 GMT, the Dutch consumer confidence adjusted at 0430 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning with the latest news and events from the financial markets.